Hello. Today we're going to replace a burnt out brake light on a 2008 to 2003 Toyota Sienna. So we're going to start by removing this handle. So first, you just slide up this little plastic tab and remove that. And then under there is a 10mm bolt. So we're just going to remove that. Now the next step is to remove the bolts under this handle. So we're just going to pry down these plastic caps here and here. There we go, and we'll expose two 10mm bolts that we will remove. The plastic panel is held on with a series of clips all around its perimeter. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a good grip on it and just give it a tug. So I'm going to grab on the corner and grab on the bottom, and we're just going to pull. And as the clips release, the cover should come off quite easily. There's one tab in each corner here that we'll just pull down. And now with the plastic cover off of the back of the tailgate here, you'll have access to your reverse light and your brake light sockets. So by taking out the bulb holder, by doing a quarter twist, you can get access to the bulb to replace it. And by grabbing the bulb holder and giving it a quarter twist, you can remove the bulb. In this case, we're going to be replacing the brake light bulb. So I've got a new bulb. So we'll take out this old one. We'll grab our new bulb here, and we'll slide it into place in the bulb holder. And then we'll put it back. Now after getting the cover on, you'll find it might be easier to have the tailgate open. It'll give you the opportunity to have a little more finesse to maneuver the plastic panel into place and to get the little plastic tabs into the holes. Now we're going to reinstall the plastic handle. It's got the two 10mm bolts. So we'll go one, and two. And then we'll tighten them down with our 10mm. And now we'll reinstall the tailgate tether. Let's put the tailgate tether in place and tighten up the 10mm bolt. And the very last step is to take the decorative cover and slide it into place. And there we go. Job done.